Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you along for a room tour of my garden view room at Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter. If you've watched some of the vlogs on my channel, you'll know that this is my favorite moderate resort on Walt Disney World property. The beautiful theming, small footprint, and relaxing atmosphere make this a resort I love staying at time and time again. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kayla. I share travel and lifestyle content with the goal of helping you and your families have amazing vacations filled with memories that will last a lifetime. Be sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell so you know when I post additional videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it while you're watching. It really does help support my channel. And without further ado, let's go check out the room. We have a garden view room, and I just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like from right outside our door. It's absolutely gorgeous. Room number is 3124, and I'll just head on in and show you guys around real quick. So you walk in and you've got a table and 2 chairs, and I'll show you kind of what our view looks like outside our window. I just love it. I think it's so pretty. My sweet husband and son went to get our luggage. The garden view room comes with 2 queen beds, and they are beautiful. And I'm going to show you this feature down here below. There is storage up underneath the beds, so you can unpack and just put stuff out of the way underneath the beds. And then we have the TV. Welcome, Robinson family. I just love that. So you're gonna have your ice bucket, your coffee maker with all of your necessities here. You'll have your remote. And then in here, you're gonna have a beverage cooler, and it cools to 41 degrees and above. Now, I will say, I'm gonna, kind of a disclaimer, we have not had the best luck keeping dairy cold enough in a beverage cooler. And if you kind of look online, it says that it's not meant to keep dairy cold for an extended period of time. So just kind of a little disclaimer there. It does get cool, but I'm really finicky when it comes to dairy. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're either ordering groceries or storing things in the beverage cooler, that it only cools to 41 degrees. And then you've got 3 good size drawers here, which are super nice. I just love the music. And then you're gonna have your phone, and you've got 2 normal plugs and 2 USBs, which I love that they come with USBs in the room. And you're gonna have another set over here on the dresser and over here on the other side of the dresser as well. So 6 total USB plugs that I've found so far. And then over here, you're gonna have your bench and your coat rack for hanging, you know, your whatever you want to hang, your coats or your wet swimsuits, anything like that, you can hang right there. And I will walk you into the bathroom now. So I'm going to kind of back up just so you can see there is plenty of area over here. Lots of coat hangers, extra pillows and blankets, an iron and ironing board if you need them. And then lots of space here underneath the vanity for storage as well. And then a good size storage. And then I'm gonna come over here just so you can kind of see. You've got up on top, you've got a whole nother set of kind of vanity space for storing items there as well. And it does come with some H2O products currently. I know those will be going away, so I'm interested to see what is replaced with that. I'll walk you into the bathroom, which is the shower tub combination. And I really love the little nod to Princess and the Frog on the shower curtain. So really, really nice spacious shower, great shower head, and currently, like I said, the H2O products, your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then I'll show you the room kind of from this vantage point as well. So spacious, so clean. I love the hardwood-esque floors. I just feel like that's so much better than the carpet that they used to have just for sanitary purposes. So this is just an absolutely beautiful, spacious room, and it will be our home away from home for the next 2 nights. I think this is so sweet too. They've left little Mardi Gras beads. That is kind of the New Orleans Mardi Gras theme here. And then this sweet little note as well from the housekeeping team. And then our little Mickey towel. So cute. I love the special touches that Disney does just to make your stay feel so much more magical. I wanted to show you kind of our setup for our toddler. So we did bring our pack and play with us. You can request a pack and play or a crib for your room, and it is subject to availability, and definitely you're going to want to put in that request well before your trip. But we did bring ours from home, so we have it over here in the bathroom area. I've got his mattress and just some of his loveys from home, just to give him the comforts and smells of home for sleep, just to help us get some better quality naps and sleep in the evenings. And then this curtain right here actually divides the bathroom and the bedroom area, and so we use this in the evenings as a blackout curtain to kind of separate the 2 areas, so that my husband and I can stay up for a little bit after our son goes to bed if we want. And then down here on the floor is where I will put his sound machine. Now, one thing I did want to mention here in the bathroom, I'm going to show you kind of why I had that towel set up the way that I did. If you cut the lights off, so let me show you, this light comes on and you cannot shut it off. And so we figured out on our last trip what we would do, let me turn the lights back on there, is just kind of makeshift this towel so that it blocks the light. So that is one thing I wanted to mention. Our son is very sensitive when it comes to light and sleeping, so I wanted to be sure to mention that. But yeah, that's how we kind of have our room set up. It gives us a little bit of separation when it's time for him to go take his nap or go to bed, and then my husband can be in, and I can be in this part of the room for our either to take a nap ourselves or just hang out and watch some TV. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you, because I have absolutely been raving about these packing cubes. If you saw my pack with me for Disney, if you haven't, I'll link that video down below, but are these packing cubes, and they are just wonderful. So I pulled them out of the suitcase, put them right in the dresser drawer, and they are ready to go. So I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And then yeah, when our son was a little bit younger, we would change him on top of this dresser. There's plenty of space to do that. Now that he's a little bit older, we've been practicing, standing diaper changes. But in the event that we need to lay him down, we do just utilize one of these beds. Yeah, I really am happy with this setup. I think it really does work in terms of giving your little one privacy and a dark, quiet place to get a nap, especially with that sound machine and the blackout curtain here. So I hope that helps. I really hope you enjoyed this room tour. I will have all of the vlogs from this trip linked below, so be sure to check those out. If you have any questions about this room, our toddler setup, or Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and become a member of our amazing YouTube community here at Main Street Through Your Eyes. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!